Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to prepare some meat porridge. Let's see what are the ingredients we need for this. 200 gram rice, 150 gram beef, 20 gram garlic, 3 gram ginger, 2 pieces of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 600 ml water, 900 ml coconut milk, salt to taste, half a teaspoon jeera powder, 2 teaspoon black pepper powder, 3 tablespoons of oil, 30 gram onion. Let's see how I'm going to make this. First, wash your meat and I just cut into the cubes, and add your beef into the pressure cooker, and I'm going to add washed rice along with the garlic, ginger, fenugreek seeds, little bit of salt, water and cinnamon stick. Once I add all the ingredients, I'm going to cover the lid and going to cook for 12 to 15 minutes in a pressure cooker. Once it's done, release the pressure in the cooker and start to mash all those ingredients together until you get the proper mashing texture. And then pour your coconut milks, jeera powder along with the black pepper powder, and add little bit of salt if needed, and give it a good mix. Then I am going to cook the porridge for another 5 minutes. Leave the porridge pot into the side, and I am taking another pot and adding little bit of oil with the onion and start to fry until little bit golden brown. Then I am going to pour that fried onion with the oil to the porridge pot, and your porridge is ready now. If the porridge getting thick, you can add extra 100 or 200 ml water or coconut milk and warm it once more, and you can serve it hot. You can serve this for 3 to 4 portions, and it's easy and very tasty. I'll see you in my next video. Please stay tuned to my channel. Until then, bye from Chef Fatima Chef Naz.